scale is simple and easy to use. First, touch the on button on the right. Since there is no raised buttons, just touch it with your finger. Pick what unit you want to use to measure, whether it's grams, ounces, fluid ounces, or milliliters. Now, if the item needs to be weighed in a container, that's no problem. Simply place the container on the scale, touch the tare button, which is the same as the on button, and you will see